Okay, in order to set up your portfolio on your Google Drive, you're first going to log into your Google account, and then up here in the top right hand corner, you can go here to your Drive. You're going to see that I use my Google Drive for lots of different things. Yours might not have nearly as much stuff as mine does, but to make a new folder, you're just going to click on this plus icon up here at the top left corner that says New, and then click Folder. You're going to title that folder Video Productions 1, and then do a dash and your name. And then you'll hit Create. After you've created it, you're going to right click on it and you'll go to Share. And then here you're going to type in my email, which is listed in your instructions on Canvas. If you don't know, it's just my name, first and last, at ccsdut.org. Once you've shared that with me, I can then look in there to check on your assignments and look at your portfolio as we work throughout the trimester.